Hello, everyone. What is the average salary of a cleaner in El Salvador? The estimated average annual gross salary is $4,380 US dollars. That is roughly $365 US dollars per month. After tax, the average annual net salary is $3,986 US dollars, or about $332 US dollars each month. In San Salvador, cleaners earn more. The average annual gross salary there is $5,168 US dollars, roughly $431 US dollars monthly. The average net salary is $4,703 US dollars, or about $392 US dollars per month. Experience, cleaning skills, and the type of workplace can affect pay. Hotel and office cleaners may earn more than some basic cleaning roles. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.